Apple finally announced its long-awaited AirPods Pro 2 after more than a year of rumors. While they did not receive the complete physical overhaul some shoppers may have been hoping for, Apple did revamp almost every aspect of the internal components, features, and performance characteristics. Let's take a close look at what's changed and which shoppers will get the most benefit from the new AirPods Pro or their older counterparts. Let's start with the design. First, the stems are not going anywhere, cause if this is gone, multiple microphones, active noise cancellation, and wireless antennas that make the AirPods Pro line such an excellent set of wireless earbuds are also going with it. But the good thing is, the stem is also getting touch control for volume control. The charging case got some upgrades as well. It's getting a lanyard loop to make it easier to carry around and now has a built-in speaker that works with Find My app to locate if ever lost. In terms of audio quality, AirPods Pro 2 shines. It has got a brand new H2 chip which should noticeably improve sound quality over the previous generation. It also gets improved personalized spatial audio that maps your ears and head to provide the best audio possible. The AirPods Pro 2 will be getting a new low distortion driver and a custom amplifier, so it seems Apple is improving both the hardware and software of their new flagship earbuds. When it comes to insane sales numbers, active noise cancellation is the biggest selling point of the AirPods Pro. Apple claims that the ANC in the AirPods 2 will cancel twice the noise that ANC in the AirPods Pro cancelled. Additionally, adaptive transparency will improve which sounds are filtered out and which sounds remain in your ears as you go about your daily life. The AirPods Pro 2 will last 6 hours on a single charge, and the charging case will provide a total of 30 hours of listening time. This is a 2 and 6 hour increase from the original AirPods Pro respectively, both of which are fairly significant. Although the case still packs the same old boring lightning port, the charging case will also support MagSafe and Qi wireless charging, putting the AirPods Pro 2 in line with industry standards. Considering all that, it's great to see how far Apple came over the years. By implementing the H2 chip and giving you abilities which would have seemed impossible even a few years ago, Apple continues to prove why it's one of the most iconic multinational technological companies in the world. But all that aside, we would love to hear your thoughts, opinions, and anything Apple in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.